Okay, so from cross-border payment solutions to laying the groundwork for ICOs, it seems Block Gemini is pretty full service when it comes to blockchain solutions. So why don't we start with an intro to yourself and what you do at Block Gemini?
Sure. My name is Anthony Lauriola. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of Block Gemini. Our team and our base of operations is located in Dubai. I've been with the company pretty much since day one, about a month in. We're just closing in on our 1-year anniversary. During that time, we've grown from 0 employees at the beginning, around this time last year, to almost 100 full-time staff based in Dubai.
Okay, and so as you said, you're based in Dubai, and I imagine you have a global client base as well. But your particular focus is in the Middle East and North Africa region. Can you give us some insight into the state of blockchain adoption within that region specifically?
Yeah, sure. So, I mean, one of the main things that most people are aware of is the fact that the government in Dubai is seeking to be the first to have all of its government-related operations on blockchain. This is a mandate that they seek to bring to fruition by 2021. So when it comes to our company being located in Dubai, it's very strategic because of having a government that is seeking to utilize and leverage this technology, not just utilize the term to garner hype or awareness, but to actually build applications and utilize them, whether in the private sector or the public sector.
So according to the International Data Corporation, MENA spend on blockchain is set to double this year. It's going to reach 18 million and forecasted to reach as much as 307 million by 2021. How do you expect blockchain use cases to kind of develop within that time frame?
My hope is that we see much more implementation than we are right now. We are, of course, aware of the fact that it takes time to build applications, whether centralized or decentralized or distributed, whatever the case is. I do expect, specifically in the MENA region, to see a lot more projects throughout the rest of this year and in the next 2 to 3 years that are actually being implemented and used on a day-to-day basis, whether that's private or public sector. They're really making it their mission, government-wise, to bring whether startups or established companies and give them the tools necessary to build these applications. Whereas I think some other jurisdictions or countries are still sitting on the sidelines. Dubai has really made it known worldwide that they want to be the first country to be leveraging this technology on a very major scale.
Okay, and so staying within that region, are there any particular industries or sectors that are really kind of seeing the benefits of blockchain tech?
I think specific with the MENA region, with regards to one of the solutions we've developed and is in pilot, is the supply chain sector. I think there's a lot of real world capabilities and use cases when it comes to supply chain and leveraging blockchain, machine learning, and IoT. So we're not just talking about systems that are using blockchain and only blockchain, but also bringing aboard complementary tech when it comes to IoT and AI. I think if you're able to leverage all 3 of these in one solution, you're going to see much more benefit to the enterprise or the company itself.
And so just finally, could you tell us about any kind of upcoming events that Block Gemini has on the radar?
So as of right now, this event here in Amsterdam, we have some upcoming events later this year in Dubai, and we are also possibly going to be at an event in San Francisco, I believe, in the next coming weeks. We're really going full on when it comes to getting our name out there, being at as many events or conferences as possible, because we originally started focusing in the MENA region. And now, after some success in that region, we want to expand globally.
Yeah. So any more kind of upcoming announcements you can share with us just before we sign off?
As of right now, we have a few very interesting projects that are going to be launched. I can't discuss names at this point, but when it comes to our supply chain management system, we are working on some interesting deals that involve the United Nations.
Amazing. Brilliant. We'll leave it there. Thank you very much.
Thank you.